Alright, this is the passenger side rear door, Trailblazer EXT. Gonna sound dead this one also, like how I did the driver side. I'm gonna clean the panel and then I'll show a shot after I put the sound deadening on. Alright, this is the rear passenger side door. Got this one all dynamite. I'm sorry, sound ended up all nice. I use sound end, I didn't use dynamite. Yeah, for that brand I use this SMG brand. Pretty good stuff. Came out good. Rolled on good. It's hot outside. It's hot out all day today, so that made it easy for it to roll on. Very easy.